Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can mark supplier invoice as paid on accounting. To mark supplier invoice as paid, we need to go to purchases and bills. So to supplier invoice list. Then we need to find an invoice which has been paid. So for example, this invoice. Click on it. And there is section make a payment. So click on add payment, add the details, when this payment has been made, for how much, select the method, either cash or maybe bank transfer backs, select from which account this payment has been made and click save. So now payment has been recorded here, and when you click on right hand side, total was 128.75 paid, and then there is nothing outstanding. So when I go back to bills and look at post limited invoice, this has been now paid, status has changed. So this is a way how you can mark supplier invoices as paid on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial and my review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.